अगर आपको भी देखना है कि Hourglass का ब्लश कैसा लगता है on Indian skin tone and you also want to know if this product is worth your money or not, then please keep on watching.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 3.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So here I am back again with an international product. As you all know, मुझे luxury makeup बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है and Hourglass का makeup is the best. जैसे कि सब बोलते ही हैं. So I also love Hourglass का makeup and so अगर आप मेरी videos watch करते हो, you know I love Hourglass products and उनकी क्वालिटी टॉप नॉच होती है. सो Hourglass इज बैक विद अ बैंग. उन्होंने अभी लॉन्च करा है ये लिक्विड ब्लश एंड Hourglass का अब तक कोई लिक्विड ब्लश नहीं था. बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स ने लिक्विड ब्लशेस लॉन्च करे हैं बट यू नो व्हेन Hourglass डज इट डज इट द बेस्ट. तो अब हम देखने वाले हैं इफ इट इज वर्थ द हाइप, इफ इट इज वर्थ द ब्रांड नेम ऑफ Hourglass और ये एक निकलता है. सो लेट्स ट्राई दिस प्रोडक्ट आउट. आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड. मैंने इस प्रोडक्ट की वीडियोस लेफ्ट राइट एंड सेंटर हर जगह देखी है, इंस्टाग्राम पे, यूट्यूब शॉर्ट्स पे, सब जगह, और मैंने इतनी ही एक्साइटमेंट में फाइनली इसे परचेज कर लिया है. एंड आई नो आप लोग भी बहुत एक्साइटेड होंगे क्योंकि हम ये प्रोडक्ट्स देख लेते हैं बट ये इंडियन स्किन टोन पे देखना थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है because people do not purchase it that much और reviews तो और भी कम लोग डालते हैं. So let's quickly get started with the product review. So today we are reviewing the Hourglass Unreal Liquid Blush and this is what the outer packaging looks like. ये एक cardboard box में आता है and you can see how tiny the size is. This is my hand and this is the product and मेरा हाथ बहुत छोटा है. So you can just imagine, let me compare it with the Too Faced concealer. So this is the size of the blush. ये बहुत ही cute, बहुत छोटा है but let's just see. I do not want to reveal everything right now. So the name of the blush is Unreal Liquid Blush from Hourglass. It has 0.34 fluid ounce or 10.3 ml of product. 10 ml of product is standard. Generally blushes में 10 ml of product तो हमें मिलता ही है. So that's great कि हमें 10 ml मिल रहा है. So this is the color that I bought. This is in the shade Scene and let me quickly tell you a few things about this blush. So let's see what we can expect out of this blush. Everything that's mentioned on their website is that this gives a dewy natural finish. It is highly pigmented formulation. The formula is very lightweight. It gives 12 hours of pigment and that's quite nice because 12 hours अगर मेरा blush रहेगा, there is no need for touch-ups. There is no need for nothing at all. So it gives 12 hours of pigment, which we have to test for sure. Also lifts your skin and makes it plumper. तो इस पॉइंट के बारे में मैं थोड़ी सी डाइसी हूँ because I mean it's a blush. कितना ही कर लेगा, एक blush ही तो है. So let's quickly try this out and let's see if all these claims are true or not. So opening this little box right here, this is what we get. This is our cute little blush. This is the blush. The brand name is here. The name of the product is written over here. It has that classic goldenish sort of Hourglass packaging. Hourglass की products की packaging actually बहुत सुंदर आती है. The quality is very nice. Let me show you one more product that I have from Hourglass is their pressed powder. ये भी मैंने purchase करा था and you can see how beautiful the packaging is. अब scratches बहुत आ गए because it is always in my kit. So yeah, Hourglass की packaging, Hourglass का formulation is always very nice and this product is no exception. इसकी भी packaging बहुत अच्छी है. The shade name is mentioned over here and the best part about this product is that look at this. So twist वाला ये cap है and look at this. आपको लग रहा होगा this is squeezy thing but you can't squeeze it from here. कुछ product नहीं आ रहा है. So the best part about this product which made me excited is, let me shake it first, is that there is a button right here. आपको ये button press करना है and then product dispense होगा, which is quite new for a blush. Generally हम blush, liquid blush जो देखते हैं वो stick form में होता है, दो फिट applicator से हम apply करते हैं, which is very common and very general. But this thing is quite new, so let's try this out. So you just press it from here and yes, it's that simple. And let's quickly swatch this now. So this is what the color Scene looks like and swatching it, oh my god, ये बहुत ही lightweight, literally serum like formulation है. आप देख भी सकते हैं. It is quite sheer but still we can see कि pigment फिर भी visible है. Let's see how it turns out on the face because face पे अलग लगता है, swatches में भी कुछ चीज़ें अलग होती हैं. सो ये काफ़ी लिक्विडी ब्लश जैसा नहीं है जैसे जनरल लिक्विड ब्लशेस होते हैं. ये काफ़ी सिरम, काफ़ी थोड़ा ऑयल लाइक है. इट्स नॉट वेरी ग्रीजी, चिपचिप ज़्यादा नहीं है, बट इट गिव्स ऑयल ऑयल वाला फील रादर दैन ब्लश वाला. एंड एज यू कैन सी ये बहुत शेयर है. इसमें बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्सट्रीमली पिगमेंटेड नहीं है जैसे कि वेबसाइट ने क्लेम करा था कि ये एक्सट्रीमली अल्ट्रा पिगमेंटेड है. ये वैसा पिगमेंटेड नहीं लग रहा है. वी डोंट नो इफ इट अप्लाइज वेरी पिगमेंटेड बिकॉज फेस पे कई बार अलग आती है चीज़ें, बट यू कैन सी ये बहुत शेयर है, थोड़ा ग्लोई भी है. एंड लेट मी कंपेयर इट विद अ ब्लश. So comparing it with the Rare Beauty's blush in the shade Hope, you'll see how regular blushes look and then ये कितना different है उससे. So this is what a regular blush looks like. ये है Rare Beauty का Hope. Now you can see कि ये थोड़ा creamy लग रहा है. एंड जब मैं इसे स्वॉच भी करती हूँ इसके अंदर तक पिगमेंट है, ऐसा नहीं कि शेयर है. ये ब्लश देखोगे दिस इज शेयर. आप स्प्रेड करती है नीचे मेरी स्किन इज विजिबल. इसमें यू कैन सी कितना भी मैं ब्लेंड कर लूँ इट हैज पिगमेंट अंडरनीथ. ये काफ़ी पिगमेंटेड है रेयर ब्यूटी वाला. लेट्स सी हाउ पिगमेंटेड दिस आईग्लास वन इज बिकॉज ये अभी काफ़ी शेयर लग रहा है. Now let's quickly start with your favorite part, which is the application of this product. And today I'm going to show you how this looks on bare skin without any makeup. I will show you with full glam on, and then you will decide if you guys like it or not. So let's quickly start with the application. So let me show you how the Hourglass blush looks on bare skin. So this is what it looks like on bare skin in the ring light. And let me show you how this looks in the natural lighting. So this is what the blush looks like in the natural lighting. I have applied it lightly because on bare skin मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा blush अच्छा नहीं लगता. So just light hint of color. ऐसा लग रहा है it's from within only. ऐसा नहीं लग रहा कि मैंने blush लगाया है, but it looks very good. It is again giving a slight glow. ज़्यादा build करोगे बहुत अच्छा glow मिलेगा. मैंने थोड़ा लगाया, so the glow is accordingly. And also my skin is very dry right now, so but it's quite hydrating. So taking just one drop on the back of my hand, and we'll see if we need more because pigment कहा था तो होना भी चाहिए. Let's see. Just one dot ले रहे हैं अभी, and I'm taking this brush from PAC. This is PAC foundation brush, which is a dupe of Rare Beauty blush brush या foundation brush. I don't know जो भी brush है, मुझे blush apply करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है इस brush से, so I'm going to use this one. And taking on the back of my hand, मैं bristles को अच्छे से coat कर रही हूँ, and let's see how this goes. So starting with the first application, and just so you know, I am wearing NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. The concealer is Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and yeah, so NARS Light Reflecting is slightly glowy, but ऐसा बहुत ज़्यादा glowy नहीं है. If we get any glow, it's because of the blush. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so first application में ही we can see the color. And ये literally one drop से है, so I'm liking this. So काफ़ी एक लाइट शेयर कलर मिला है हमें with just one drop, and मैंने काफ़ी प्रोडक्ट अच्छे से ब्रश में कोट करा था तो डेफिनेटली प्रोडक्ट थोड़ा डिसअपियर हो जाता है. Let's take one more drop, and this time I will apply it directly on my face, and let's see कि कितना पिगमेंट आता है, कितने अच्छे से ये बिल्ड होता है, कुछ कलर शो अप होता है या नहीं होता. लेट्स सी. एंड नाउ वी कैन सी देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ पिगमेंट. Look at how glowy my cheek looks. This is the before, this is the after. let's build it a little more because I have something on the back of my hand. So जितना भी product is left from जो भी मैंने last drop ली है उसी को ही apply कर रही हूँ मैं. And अब the color is nicely visible. ऐसा नहीं है कम दिख रहा है. It is very nicely visible. Look at the glow. It gives a very very nice glow. बहुत ही अच्छी juicy skin दिख. And now मैं सिर्फ back of the hand से डॉट डॉट करके लगाऊंगी like directly and let's see कि one drop में कितना pigmentation देती है. Oh my god. It's quite pigmented. Like I have still this much left. So this is what the blush looks like. So this has turned out to be very glowy. The skin looks very juicy. Buildability इस product की बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी है. You can see मैंने कितना build कर दिया है and मैं इससे भी ज़्यादा इसे build कर सकती हूँ. Although इसका texture काफ़ी serum like, काफ़ी oil type of है, but still it hasn't disrupted my base at all. मेरा base intact है. Just how it was. इसकी finish बहुत ज़्यादा natural है on the face and this is not the first time that I'm wearing this blush. मैंने जब से purchase करा है I have been using this continuously. मैं जो भी blush use करती हूँ उसमें थोड़ा सा ही mix कर देती हूँ for the glow because ये बहुत ज़्यादा glow add करता है. अगर हम कोई normal blush भी इसके साथ mix कर दे तो ये glow उन blushes में भी add कर देता है, which is the best part about this. I love a healthy glow. So after I show you how this looks in the natural lighting, मैं आपको एक वीडियो क्लिप दिखाऊंगी wherein I'm wearing this blush and मेरा मेकअप इतना ज़्यादा ग्लोई लग रहा था ना that it literally changed my makeup game. मैं अब blushes कोई और यूज़ ही नहीं कर पाती after using this blush because ये is the best of all the blushes that I own right now. So I am loving this blush. Let me show you how this looks in the natural lighting and then you will know why I'm hyping this up so much. So this is what the blush looks like in the natural sunlight. You can see how glowy this looks. तो glow ring light की वजह से नहीं था, इस blush की वजह से है. And you can see मेरे foundation वगैरह इतना glowy नहीं है. Oh my god, construction. Okay. So the foundation is not as glowy as the blush. Foundation has slight glow to it, but it is nothing as compared to the blush. Look at how beautiful the color is. ये काफी मिलता जुलता है to the color of my cheeks. It is very naturalish pink. It's not बहुत ही bright वाला pink जो और लगता है. It is very natural and it's very very beautiful. So I've shown you how this looks in the natural lighting. Sunlight में तो ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा था and वो actual real shade है. ये जैसा दिखता है ये sunlight में बिल्कुल same दिख रहा था. तो अगर आप confused हो कि कैसा दिखेगा after application on your face, somewhere near my skin tone you are NC20, then that's how this shade is gonna look on your face. So finally, now let me tell you the price of this. So this Hourglass blush retails for $36, which if you convert it to INR, it is somewhere around 3,000 rupees. And to be very honest, if a luxury blush costs 3,000, मैं purchase कर लूँगी because I think luxury products इसी price range में होते हैं. And not only this, इसका formulation is top notch. If you buy from Instagram stores that sell international makeup, तो ये थोड़ा और pricey रहेगा. I think they will be selling it for like 4,000 rupees, maybe 4,500. I'm not really sure, but yeah, इतना ही होगा उनका price. I'm assuming that, I'm not really sure. When it comes to shade, जो इसके close shade है वो है Hope from Rare Beauty, जिसका swatch मैं दिखा देती हूँ, मैंने पहले भी दिखाया था, but doesn't matter. So this is what the shade Hope looks like from Rare Beauty, and side by side I'll swatch the Hourglass. So this is seen from Hourglass. It's quite similar. बिल्कुल exactly same तो कुछ भी नहीं होता, but it's quite similar. Application के बाद काफ़ी minor difference लगेगा. तो अगर आपके पास Hope है, then you can skip on this one. But when comparing both the blushes, and you don't know, but I mean, I am a Rare Beauty blush fan. Let me prove it to you, because ये सारे Rare Beauty के blushes मैंने खुद purchase करे. These are all full sizes. So I've bought all of these with my own money. You know how much one color costs. So, you know, I'm a fan of Rare Beauty blushes. But since ये चीज़ आई in the market, I have been quite a fan of this product. The main thing जो इसे separate करता है from all the other blushes and blush brands right now is कि एक तो ये बहुत ही natural Korean glow glass skin vibe देता है. बहुत natural है on the face. ये बिल्कुल भी heavy नहीं है. ये इतना lightweight, इतना serum like है, आप लगाओगे आपको feel ही नहीं होगा कुछ आपने लगाया है. And इसका pigment बहुत अच्छा है. अगर आप beginner हो, आप इसे mess कर ही नहीं सकते, because if you apply it बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया, take a beauty blender, just pick up excess, and ये 1 minute में light हो जाएगा. So this makes it very very nice for beginners as well as pros. If you're a pro makeup artist, you know the value of Hourglass products. अगर कोई भी professional makeup करता है, वो Hourglass के products use कर रहा होता है. So you know how good the brand is, how good the product is. I don't think Rare Beauty से ज़्यादा बड़ा अभी कोई competitor है when it comes to blushes, and I think ये Rare Beauty से slightly better है. So Rare Beauty बहुत अच्छा है, but if you're a beginner and आपको एक fool proof formula चाहिए, आप कितना भी mess कर लो, mess ना हो, then this is the one for you. In my opinion, blushes, luxury, affordable सब categories में बहुत अच्छा आ जाते हैं, but ये अभी stand out करता है in the market. This is different from all the available blushes in the market. So if you are looking for a good blush which is lightweight, highly pigmented, it doesn't hide wrinkles, doesn't plump my skin, which it mentioned, वो तो कुछ ज़्यादा ही claim हो गया. I don't know skincare वाला part. I don't use blushes or makeup every single day, so वो चीज़ तो मैं test out नहीं कर पाऊँगी. But all the other claims are totally true. ये 12 hours actually में stay करता है. It gives very natural glow, as you can see. Finish बहुत natural है, extremely pigmented है ये, but it will not create a mess on your face. If you're a beginner, definitely you should purchase. And अगर मैं एक suggestion दूँ आपको, तो affordable products are great अगर आप purchase करना चाहते हैं, but if you have थोड़ा सा भी interest in makeup, just buy good 5 luxury products and you will see a difference. If you have the budget, only then go for luxury products. It's not like you should, even if you do not have the money, you are just begging, borrowing, stealing for makeup products. No, that's not the case. But if you can, if your pockets allows you, or if you want to just invest in one good product, this is a great one for you guys. So I'm done with the video and I'm done with the review. I hope you guys liked the video. अगर आपको कोई भी confusion हो regarding this product, any other product, you have any queries, you can always ask me in the comment section below. आपको कुछ suggest करना है कि मैं कोई video बनाऊँ, then please do let me know in the comment section below. If you're too shy to ask, you can always DM me on my Instagram account. The handle is right here, and I also post stuff on my Instagram account, so please follow that too. And yeah, this is it for the video. If you like the video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe. Do subscribe if you want more videos, more international products, trying on Indian skin tone. So yeah, that's the only thing I want from you guys, is to just like, share and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, this is it for the video. If you like the video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe. Bye.